I have the condition lupus, which is an autoimmune disease, and there's multiple things that come with that, multiple different physicians that help treat it, but basically it affects the joints, the muscles, also can affect the skin, it can affect your hair, you can go blind from it. For me, it's, making sure those medications are taken and making sure I'm always active and staying healthy and making sure that I can regulate it. It has been doable, and especially working with Innovation Health, they've been amazing to help me cover prescription costs and making sure that I see the physicians needed. I like Innovation Health because it makes me happy about healthcare. It makes me happy about my insurance bills, and I know they're working hard for me. Problems with past insurance companies through me has been not getting someone on the phone. One person will give me one answer and then another person gives me a totally different answer. I received a bill from an insurance company and a hospital, and it's the same bill, and I don't know what to do with it, and I don't know if I'm supposed to pay the hospital or the insurance company. I've had to call and spend my own personal time sorting through the mess and figuring out what's owed, what's not owed, what's covered, what's not covered. I chose Innovation Health because of the variety of options. I have a lot of medical expenses per year, and for me it was picking the best plan that would fit me, whether it's an HMO or PPO, being able to see those physicians I needed to see that are specialists but also regular primary care physicians, and being able to do it the most cost-effective way possible. I called, and the person that I spoke with, they knew about these plans that I knew nothing about. And they went step by step with me. They asked me first, what things are you looking for? And then they went through each plan. They didn't say, you should take this plan, but they said, this would probably be your best effective plan for less costs, and that would cover more for you. Being an executive assistant, you always have to be nice. You always have to be on your game. Working with an insurance company, you want the same thing. You want to feel like you are an important customer to someone. With Innovation Health, there's always someone to give you knowledge. Customer service is amazing. They help me, they get my questions answered, but they also understand what they're talking about and they understand the plan. When you're dealing with health issues and you're dealing with that side of things where you're doing multiple appointments, a lot's going on, it's nice to have somebody that's caring and helpful on the phone. With Innovation Health, it's been really helpful because in terms of billing, everything comes as one. I don't get like 15 bills in the mail. It says, we paid this for this and this for this doctor, and I don't have to worry about where my money's going or who's being paid, who I'm not paying. It's just all there for you, so it's great. Everything's been pretty flawless in terms of things not getting confused with each other. The physicians are able to network each other, so they can look up all your past. They can look up every appointment you've had. They can see all the notes. They can pull it all together so that they're prepared when you come in. Cost is a huge thing for me. I'm on 6 prescriptions, so that becomes a high cost. If I have to see that same physician 3 times that week or 3 times a month, I know I'm still not gonna get a huge bill in the mail, which is great. For me, having bad insurance in my past and not having a lot of coverage, it's great to not have that extra expense every single month. When you don't feel good or when you need to see somebody, you don't want to worry about the medical bill. You just want to go get the problem taken care of. And it's been flawless since I've started. It's inexpensive, small copays. You can see the physicians you want to see, and they have great customer service. It was a perfect plan. I'm happy I picked it. I just renewed it. I'm clearly happy with the environment and with the service. And, I could have changed it, but I didn't. It's been awesome.